Flamethrower 101, and I just wanted to show you guys some things about my Nerf guns. Just a few details I left out. So I'm just going to reload these real quick. Okay, so now that they're all loaded, so the rough cut, let me just show you. It does have slam fire, so that's just a little useful tip. The Maverick, however, does not. So, also, if you use these bullets, I don't know if this is just with everyone's or just mine, but sometimes they stick up and get hit on this gray part, and you'll have to try and just push them back down on the very corner. So, like, right here. And, yeah, that's pretty much it. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time.